Hi, welcome to the demo section. Let's take a look at the purchase section. First, navigate to the sidebar and click on Purchase. You'll see 4 options there. The first one is Cost of Goods Sold, that is Purchase Invoice. Second one is Debit Notes. Third one is Purchase for Assets, and the fourth one is Purchase Order. Now, click on the Cost of Goods Sold. This will open the Purchase Invoice section. Let's take a moment to get familiar with this table and its features. First, let's look at the date filter, where you can select the desired date range. On the right side, there's a search bar to find invoices by keyword. Next to the search bar, you'll see an Excel icon. You can use it to export your data to Excel or PDF format. If you want to filter the data in a specific way, click on the filter icon. Now, let's see how to create a purchase invoice. Click on the Create Invoice button in the top right corner. This will open a new form. First, choose a supplier from the list. If the supplier isn't listed, you can create a new one by clicking the Add New button. This will open a new form where you can provide the necessary details for the supplier. Once you've finished, click the Save button. After creating the new supplier, you'll be taken back to the invoice form. From there, you can select the supplier from the supplier list, choose the ledger, and set the desired due date. Now, we need to add items to the invoice. Click on the yellow Add Item button. This will open a new section to add the product. Here, you can choose the product from the drop-down list. If you want to add a new product, click on the Add New Product, which will open a new form. Provide the necessary details and add photos of the product. Click the Submit button to add the new product. Next, choose a product from the product list and enter the necessary details for the selected product. Finally, click the Save button to add the new item to the invoice. Click on the pencil icon if you want to edit the details of an added product. The red icon will delete the item. Now, let's add the payment. Click on the yellow Add Payment button, which will open a new form. Here, you can enter the payment details, payment method, and the amount to be paid. Once you're done, click the Create button to finish the invoice creation for the purchase. You can export this invoice data to PDF or Excel format, and filtering is also available in the table. If you want to view, edit, or delete an invoice, click on the 3-dot icon under the Action column and choose the desired action. Thank you. Hi, welcome to the demo section. Let's take a look at the Debit Note section. Let's see how to create an invoice. Click on the Create Invoice button in the top right corner. This will open the Purchase Invoice section. Choose the necessary information, and click on the pencil icon to edit the section. Then, click on the Create button to finish making the debit note. If you want to export this to PDF or Excel format, click on the Export icon next to the search bar. Click on the 3 dots icon to view, edit, or delete the invoice. Clicking on View will open the invoice, where you can print or download it. Clicking on the Edit button will allow you to add or edit details or notes. And click the Update button to save the changes. Choosing Delete from the 3-dot menu will delete the invoice. Thank you. Hi, welcome to the demo section. Now, let's take a look at the Purchase for Assets section. In this table, you'll see a search bar and an export icon next to it. Now, let's see how to create an invoice. Click on the Create Invoice button, which will open a form where you can enter the necessary details. After that, we can add items to the invoice. Click on the yellow Add Item button, which will open a new form section. Provide the necessary data and click on the Save button to finish. Next, after finishing the payment section, click on the Create button to complete the process. Click on the 3-dot icon to view the invoice we created, or you can edit this or delete an asset you have created. Thank you. Hi, welcome to the demo section. Let's take a look at the Purchase Order section in the TaxGo Global. In this table, you can see all the details of the invoices. If you want to find something specific, just click on the search bar and type in your keyword. Click on the Export icon if you want to export the data. Now, let's see how to create a purchase order invoice. Click on the Create Invoice icon in the top right corner. This will open a new form where you can choose the supplier name and due date. Next, click on the yellow Add Item button to add the invoice items. Fill in the necessary details in the form that opens, then click on the Save button to finish adding. Finally, click on the Create button at the bottom to complete the invoice creation. To view an item, click on the 3-dot icon under Action and choose View. This will open the invoice where you can download or mail it. If you want to edit an item, select Edit from the 3-dot icon, make the necessary changes, and click on the Update button to finish editing. Now, let's see how to generate an invoice. Click on the 3-dot icon under Active next to the pending invoice, then choose the Generate option. This will open the Generate Purchase Invoice form. Click on the Generate button at the bottom to create the invoice. To view it, click the three-dot icon again and choose View. Thank you.